channel once again. So I'm still here at KTM Arshipuram showroom Hyderabad to let you show you the new BS6 2020 RC200. So what are all the changes they have made to the RC200? So we'll talk about it soon. So let's enjoy the cinematic view first. Then I'll let you the details and the specification with the features for the BS6 2020 RC200 have. So stay tuned and find out more. So the heart of the engine is 195.6 cc DOHC liquid cooled single cylinder 4-stroke that produces 26.5 bhp of power at 10,000 rpm and 19.5 Newton meter of torque at 8,000 rpm. So it is a DOHC setup. So the DOHC full form is double overhead camshaft. So the camshaft is here is carbon coated camshaft to give you the extra reliability and engine's longevity due the long power output, the engine output delivery of this bike. So for the 2020, what are the changes? They changes all the paint scheme. It is your matte black with gloss black and your orange accents. But you still do get your orange wheels in here. So the frame you are looking here is the signature styling of the KTM RC200. All the KTM RC series have these frames to give you the stability in the corners, the performance and the ride comfort when you are going on the track or if you ride it daily. So the stiffness of this frame is very good, as you can see. The foot pegs are also a little bit on the rear side to give you the sporty look. So this is your bike, as you can see. This is all the paint scheme, all the changes they have made to the RC200, new RC200. So enjoy this. So this does come with foam padding. So for the driver, it is a little bit more comfort because the cushioning of the bike for the rider is a little bit on the softer side. Sitting position in this bike is very aggressive. As you can see, the handlebars are quite low to the front. The foot pegs are also quite on the rear, as you can see. So for the 2020, the overall look is the same. They are still going with the projector headlamps. So ये जो headlamps है वो DRL के साथ आते हैं. All the RC series comes with these DRLs. So ये जो lights हैं, they provide with you better visibility. I mean आपको मतलब visibility clearance बहुत अच्छा देते हैं ये light, as you can see. So moving on to the tires, it is your 17-inch rim आप जो देख रहे हो. So both the bikes does come with single channel ABS. It's not a dual channel ABS. It comes with single channel ABS. So the front tire, the front rim is also 17-inch and the rear rim is also 17-inch. So for the front tire, the tire size is 110 mm with 70 width and 17-inch rim. So for the front tire, the brake are 310 mm disc brake, 4-piston radial calipers to provide you better stability the braking performance you need when you are braking hard, so they provide you with better feedback. So इस बाइक में जो आप जब ब्रेकिंग करते हो हाई स्पीड से जब लो स्पीड से जाते हो, so ये जो ब्रेकिंग का स्टेबिलिटी है that is very linear. As you can see, it comes with single channel ABS. So moving on to the rear, so this is your rear brake, your rear wheel. So for the rear tire, it is 130 mm with 17 width and 17-inch rim. So for the rear tire is 230 mm disc brakes with single piston floating calipers. The braking are still provided by Brake. So both front and rear feel, if you are going on a high speed, if you are going to brake from high speed to low speed, the stability of this brake are quite impressive. So it comes with aluminum swing arm and it comes with underbelly exhaust. तो clearance मतलब ground clearance बहुत अच्छा है. It is not coming with the exhaust panel like the RC390. इसमें still underbelly exhaust आता है जब जिसमें पुराना ही था. So टैंक का कैपेसिटी है 10 लीटर्स, आपका 1.5 लीटर्स रिजर्व में रहता है. So the average मतलब आपको एवरेज में I think 32 ऑन नॉर्मल रोड्स पे मिल जाता है. आई थिंक इफ आर गोइंग ऑन ए हाईवे ये आपको शायद 35 से लेके 37 तक प्रोवाइड कर सकता है. सो एज यू कैन सी दिस इज योर बाइक. सो इट इज कम्स विथ EFI मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फ्यूल इंजेक्शन. तो कि आपको बाइक में फ्यूल कंजप्शन कम हो, आप बेटर स्मूथ परफॉर्मेंस राइडेबिलिटी बाइक का अच्छा हो, इसलिए इसमें आपको EFI मिलता है. As you can see, the front fork is directly taken from its elder brother, the KTM RC8R. So outer tube meter का जो size है, it's still the same, the 43 mm WP shock, WP Apex shock. As you can see, this is your front shock. So front is non-adjustable. Moving on to the rear. So rear में भी आपको जो shock मिलता है, that is your WP Apex monoshock. I think it is also non-adjustable. Getting a slipper clutch on this bike. So just give it a look. So as you can see right here, it is a km/h. ABS का सिग्नेचर मतलब ABS अभी ऑन है, ये आपको शो कर रहा है आप कौन से गियर पे हो, कौन से गियर पे चला रहे हो. एज यू कैन सी इट राइट हियर, दिस इज योर RPM लिमिटर. यहाँ पर दिखा रहा है साइड स्टैंड डाउन, मतलब साइड स्टैंड को उठाने के लिए बोल रहा है. दिस इज योर फ्यूल गेज. यहाँ पर आपका बाइक में फ्यूल कितना है आप देख सकते हो. दिस इज योर इंजन टेम्परेचर सेंसर राइट हियर, कूलेंट. आपका इंजन में कितना मतलब टेम्परेचर हो रहा है, यू कैन सी राइट हियर. यू कैन सी द टाइम हियर. This is your engine heating light, this is your neutral, this is for the ABS. No, this is your ABS, this is your engine temperature sensor. So as you can see right here, this bike does come with triple clamp setups. As ये जो triple clamp setups है normally high end bikes में आता है. So what the triple clamp setups do? To help you provide better feedback, riding stability in the corners and the road as well. So इसमें जो clutch levers है ये non adjustable है, आप इसे adjust नहीं कर सकते like your Duke 390 और RC 390 और Adventure 390. Same goes with the brake lever as well. This is also non adjustable. So this is your high beam, low beam, this is your passing light, this is your indicator, this is your horn, this is your kill switch and this is your power starter. So normally ये जो बाइक है it cost around 2,54,100 something in Hyderabad, the ex-showroom price of Hyderabad. So in on-road the bike cost you around 2,31,840 exact in Hyderabad. So if you ask me whether it's a good bike or not, I will definitely suggest you it's a bike to go for. If you want your career to be if you want to start your career in sports bike riding, or if you want to get in the track, if you want to do racing, so this is the best beginner's bike to start your career with it, because the features, the performance, the rideability, this bike have, I think you're not going to find it on any other bikes. I mean, आपको सब लोगों को पता है that it is the best beginner bike स्पोर्ट्स बाइकिंग के लिए, अगर आप ट्रैक में जाना चाहते हो वो. सो एक अच्छा कंपेनियन होता है ट्रैक राइडिंग के लिए. So one thing is I don't like about this bike is you cannot take this bike for touring purpose, क्योंकि आप नॉर्मली थोड़ा बहुत मतलब कुछ देर के लिए चला सकते हो, बट यू कैन नॉट आई मीन टूर करने के लिए या फिर यू कैन नॉट गो ऑन ए लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस जर्नी, बिकॉज मतलब जो राइडिंग पोजीशन है वो काफ़ी एग्रेसिव है एंड आप नॉर्मली शॉर्ट राइड करके ही थक जाओगे. सो दिस इज द मेजर पार्ट ऑफ द बाइक. And also the fuel consumption, the fuel capacity of this bike on little bit low. I think अगर 14 liters या फिर 13.5 liters ड्यूक में जैसा है या फिर एडवेंचर 390 में जैसा आपको मिलता है, अगर वैसा भी होता तो चल जाता, लेकिन fuel capacity is little bit low on this side, but it's a good bike to go for. So for the last time, let's check the exhaust note of the RC200 2020 BS6 model. If you like this video, please give it up a like, thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you don't like this video, please give me some suggestion. मैं modify कर सकता हूँ, मतलब किस जगह पे गलती हुई, किस जगह पे गलती नहीं हुई, आप मुझे डायरेक्टली बता सकते हो. So subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon there so you will get notified whenever I upload the next video. Until then, tata, see you, bye bye, take care, love you all. Next video में मिलते हैं. Take care.